amazing to have this train. Let me see if I can get my card. Oh, it's way over there. Okay, let me pop over here then. Okay, so here it is. This is the holiday train appetizer set with the spreaders. Here's what you're going to get. You get the engine car right here, nice and big, and obviously you can use this for different things. Then you also receive, I'm going to take that out for a moment, you receive 2 more cars to the train. Now, there's nothing that actually connects them. You can bump them up next to each other if you want to. You can use them separately. And you also get a 3rd one. So you're really getting 3 containers. And then with each one, you get the spreaders. You're actually only going to get 2 spreaders, though, okay? Just one there, one here. So there's just 2 spreaders that come with it, and then the 3 cars is what I believe is correct. Tara, let's come back. I just wanted to say that's obviously the Snowflake Pattern,
yes,
which we had not seen yet, and it's up here on this part of the table. We've got it for dips and things, but that's called the Snowflake, and the only other one is the Winter Whimsy that is down in here, which is in red and green, and then those 4 great characters. I take my hat off to you. I had never seen anything like it before. You get all of that for less than $30 at a sale price.
Yes, and I did want to just correct you. There are 3 spreaders. You were correct in the beginning.
Okay.
So yes, each compartment, which is 12 ounces.
Okay, good.
Each compartment, which is 12 ounces, also comes with its spreader. So if you're picking up our sweet Whimsy, you'll see the characters driving, and it's amazing. They're all individually hand painted. So we did, of course, one of our beautiful candy cane dips, which we're going to share that with you with one of our ornaments. Yeah. But you have that great stoneware spreader that also goes along with it. So whether you're doing hot things or cold things, whether you're just using candy inside here, look how sweet all of these pieces work together. Hot dips, cold dips, anything that you want to do. Now, when you're putting out that appetizer, instead of just grabbing some random bowls, you have the Whimsy, of course, of a train. And the reason why I did the train is my dad had a huge train collection when we were growing up. And every year we would painstakingly put it all out. And so this is an homage, of course, to the memories I have of my childhood growing up and the train. So this was just a fun way to do a little train appetizer set.
That's so sweet.
Isn't that fun?
Really, truly, these are beautiful. I want to show the Snowflake Pattern a little bit closer too, because this one is interesting. And obviously not just for Christmas. Maybe you don't celebrate Christmas, but you celebrate the holidays, or you celebrate winter, or whatever it might be. So tell me a little bit about this Snowflake Pattern.
So you have that beautiful, very detailed snowflake design in our beautiful lavender, our teal, and our charcoal. So yes, this is a little bit more modern. And I love that you would leave it out all winter long. So whereas the Whimsy, definitely with the peppermint tires and all of that is definitely holiday-esque. This is more winter season, winter celebration, which you know we do a lot of times. So, and it coordinates back. So family of colors, you have the snowflake there on the spreaders. Those are stainless steel. You can throw the whole thing in the dishwasher. You can put all of the pieces in the oven. So like I said, if you were doing hot dips or cold dips or something along the lines, look how sweet that is with the breadsticks. I just love that.
I do too. I mean, it just makes such a beautiful presentation. And the thing about this is that, you know, maybe you're not going to have something like this for every holiday. But obviously, the holidays we celebrate in November and December are usually some of the biggest that we celebrate all year. And now you've got this sweet train with the 3 spreaders. And oh, by the way, don't save this just for the holidays. I mean, it's football season, kids, and you bring out those dips and things, and it's just like, it just absolutely raises the celebration feeling within your home. So I think that makes it really, really nice. So there's 2 different ones to choose from. This is going to be the Winter Whimsy, and you can see up here on this train, you've got the snowman on one side, and look who's peeking out on the other side, the reindeer. But anyway, or you can get the snowflake design in the white and the blue. Okay, more yet to come. You don't want to miss anything. There's all kinds of fun things yet. All right, still to come, we have this set, and